We're gonna be doing a spark plug change and air filter change out on this mower. I thought about breaking these up into separate videos, but they're such simple things to do for your Honda mower. I just will bundle them together in for this video. So first thing that you're gonna want is a 13/16 spark plug socket. We're gonna go ahead and pop that onto our ratchet. If you don't have a spark plug socket, you can pull it off with a 13/16 steep socket as well. Just be careful not to damage anything here. I've already pulled, we did some other maintenance on the mower. If you guys are interested in that, check out the other videos on the channel. But we've already pulled the spark plug boot off for some other things that we're doing. But we're gonna go ahead and pull this spark plug out. Very simple to do. And you can see that it has been in there for a minute. It doesn't look terrible, but we'll go ahead and replace it no matter what. Now, I just got a new spark plug from the Honda dealer. And this is the plug that Honda uses. It is an NGK, and it is BPR6ES 7131. I will put that down in the description down below if you guys are curious as well. These are already pre-gapped according to the dealer. What we want to do as soon as we pull it out is just verify that it looks the same as the other plug before we throw it in there. And as you can see, it's actually the exact same number. Everything looks identical, including the gap, obviously, from my micrometer here. But we'll go ahead and get this one reinstalled. Now, there is a crush washer on these. So if you feel like you're getting tight, but it might be stripping, it's not stripping, you're just crushing this washer to seal for the compression. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this back in, same place that it came out from. And we're gonna spin it backwards just a minute until we feel it pop into place for the correct threads, just like that. Now we'll go ahead and take this in. Now, for your mower, there might be a specific torque spec for it. I usually have done this enough times, I just kind of go by feel, but I would recommend looking up your torque spec for this. And just go ahead and tighten it back down. Perfect. And always check your spark plug. I've got my grommet here that always comes out of my spark plug socket. Go ahead and pop the cap back on there. There should actually feel like a click with these. If you don't feel any kind of a click, then you need to push harder and kind of make sure these seat on properly. Perfect. Now for your air filter, this is very simple to do. You're gonna click these two top tabs on top of the box, pull it off. This filter is disgusting. It should not have been this long before it's been changed. I bought this on Marketplace, so it is absolutely needs to be changed. Again, I just picked this filter up from the Honda dealership. I'll put the part number in the description below. But there it is if you guys want to screenshot this is the correct filter. We're going to install it the exact same way the old one came out. Again, verify it's the right filter. Now, the previous owner very easily could have put the wrong filter in there, but these are the exact same filter. You just want to make sure that they fit nicely. There should be a pretty good seal around the box all the way around when you install it. And then you very simply, the box goes on kind of at a 90-degree angle just like this, and then basically tilts into place just like that, and you're ready to go. Guys, I have a few more Honda videos on the channel. Love for you guys to check them out. We've done an oil change, servicing your blade and sharpening it on the bottom. And so go ahead and check those out if you guys are curious. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.